Hey there, parachain enthusiasts. Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on how to utilize Interlay's Bitcoin DeFi Hub through the Talisman Wallet. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to swap, lend, borrow, LP, staking, claim rewards, enabling you to participate in the exciting world of decentralized finance. Let's jump into video. Our mission: use the Interlay Bitcoin DeFi Hub through Talisman Wallet. Complete transactions. Participation steps. Step 1. Connect to Interlay DeFi Hub via Talisman Wallet. Step 2. Explore and use Interlay Bitcoin DeFi Hub. Need some INTR for gas fee? New users can receive a helping hand from Interlay's Discord server faucet channel. Step 3. Share your Interlay Bitcoin DeFi experience on Twitter or YouTube and include a screenshot of your transaction. Make sure to talk about the transaction made on Interlay Bitcoin DeFi Hub, which features and which assets. Okay, this time I will share my experience using Interlay's Bitcoin DeFi Hub in Talisman Wallet.
Tell me
Congratulations! You just completed our comprehensive tutorial on using Interlay's Bitcoin DeFi Hub through Talisman Wallet. With this knowledge, you're now empowered to bridge the gap between Bitcoin and DeFi, while maintaining full control over your assets. Thank you for watching, and happy decentralized finance exploration.